Welcome to the Betavoltaics simulation. In this simulation, you will test traditional batteries and nuclear beta emission sources to determine the efficiency and practicality of each power supply. To begin the simulation, choose one of the power sources from the rows located at the top of the screen to place into the testing device. The Geiger counter will provide you with more information on the source type. Next, click the Start button to test the source and collect data. Once the data table has updated, you can easily see how much power and energy the source produced, as well as the discharge time and cost of use. By clicking the Graph button, a graph will be displayed showing the source's power/energy relationship over time. You can look back to see the tabular data by clicking the Data button. Go ahead and select a new energy source and test it by clicking the Start button again. The data table and graph will be updated, and now you can begin to compare energy sources that have been tested by clicking on the left and right arrows at the bottom left of the table, or the Graph button. Continue to test all of the energy sources and then analyze your results to determine the best energy source for a given application.